Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. I mean, if you want to purchase XRP now, it's like buying Bitcoin when it was under $1. I want to talk a little bit about this very fair and impartial article that came out today comparing holding XRP today to holding BTC under $1 now. I think it's important to talk about why I believe XRP is far superior to Bitcoin, but more importantly, I want to talk about the statement I recently put out. Also, please don't steal from me. The Ethereum creator has already said that Ripple XRP is superior to Bitcoin, and I'm just paraphrasing him. Now, I'd like to tell you about tokenomics, speed transactions, and so on, but there are a lot of reasons why I think it's superior. I'll try to summarize them and lay them out in an easy way. You know what to do if you enjoy discussing Ripple and XRP? Just hit the like button and share the video. First, when we compare XRP to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, we need to grasp what is happening in this digital revolution. I know many of you already know this, but I'll explain it again very briefly. In comparison to Bitcoin, XRP has a significantly higher transaction per second. As opposed to 7 transactions per second, Bitcoin processes 1,500 transactions per second, and this was released quite some time ago. In comparison to Bitcoin, which can take more than an hour to settle, XRP takes only 3 to 5 seconds. What's more, XRP costs a fraction of a penny, while Bitcoin can cost up to $8 each transaction. Expensive, clumsy, and slow. Consider Bitcoin and Ripple. While Bitcoin may have been groundbreaking when it first emerged, it is hardly a game changer in the modern cryptocurrency market. Now we've heard Japanese bank presidents like SBI predict that XRP would eventually have a greater market cap than Bitcoin. After we get beyond the SEC situation, I think this is true as well. It has been the main obstacle. The fact that this situation has stifled potential is evident and readily apparent. I believe most of us are aware of this. Presently, we have 1,700 NDAs that are patiently waiting for the storm clouds to pass. Many see this as a victory for Ripple and the end of the lawsuit. However, technically, we still haven't gone past this because an appeal is still possible. Everyone has signed the contracts. No plans are afoot for this. The deals have been finalized. We will compare the prices of Bitcoin and XRP now. There are a few things we need to grasp on this. First of all, I know that when discussing tokenomics, a lot of people compare the supply of Bitcoin and XRP. After all, there are millions of Bitcoin coins and billions of XRP coins. Well, I'd point to the pricing because, at the moment, one Bitcoin coin is worth almost $60,000, whereas one XRP coin is worth less than 60 cents. In light of this, the purchase of 1 billion XRP tokens by a large international bank is completely justified. Therefore, that is the essential requirement. What we have witnessed with Bitcoin throughout the years is demand, with a deluge of institutional purchasers pouring into the cryptocurrency. Since they aren't currently involved in any cases involving Bitcoins, they must be competent and able to handle this. On the other hand, XRP is a bank coin, thus there are institutional purchasers. The term banker's coin describes this type of currency. The demand will be most apparent there. You will notice XRP supported there. I think most of us get that, but when I say this is a once-in-a-lifetime chance, I mean it. This piece was published here today, and I think it was rather fair. In its simplest form, it says that a prominent market analyst has compared XRP's early underperformance to that of Bitcoin. I was now present. Moreover, Bitcoin was, and remains, in various ways, heavily funded back then, whether you were among them or maybe you aren't. Also, Bitcoin's value dropped by 80 to 90% on multiple occasions in the past, leading many, myself included, to believe that the cryptocurrency was a mistake. I was involved with the stock market, I had no business with cryptocurrency, and I was among many who saw the whole thing as a game based on a new, meaningless technology. In hindsight, XRP has shown to be a superior investment because the vast majority of us failed to investigate the digital revolution nearly as thoroughly while it was in its infancy. Again, case circumstances have prevented it from seeing the appreciation. Despite some good news about XRP since last year, Ripple's has been performing poorly over the past 4 years, according to this article. They are keeping quiet about the possibility of an appeal, which could happen soon, even though the lawsuit has ended, but XRP's price action has not reflected this. I have my doubts, but if there is, it won't bode well for price action. Among other things, the fact that we have a potential appeal looming over us is dragging down prices right now. The flood of negative emotions surrounding this potential appeal is still dragging down XRP. Without a doubt, it asserts that XRP is similar to Bitcoin under $1 and that pro-XRP market analysts are appealing to holders' impatience and frustration by citing Bitcoin's past performance in an effort to provide optimism among current concern. Keep in mind, XRP investors, that Bitcoin holders were once made fun of when their coin was worth less than $1. Just as XRP has been worth less than $1 for 3 years running, analysts point out that many people were skeptical about Bitcoin's future when it was worthless, just like I was. A software engineer famously spent 10,000 BTC on 2 pizzas about 14 years ago. Many of you have likely heard this tale. In retrospect, given how far Bitcoins have come, it's absurd. Nevertheless, Bitcoin's value has skyrocketed in recent days, and it is now selling for over $60,000, with institutional investors securing a large portion of the market. Currently, Bitcoin serves as a medium of exchange and a store of value. In my opinion, Bitcoin's value will rise in due course. I don't have anything against Bitcoin or anything like that, but XRP is a utility coin with a use case and a store of value, and, oh yeah, it has a burn option, too. So, the flood of demand from institutional buyers is becoming increasingly apparent. Due to what we anticipate, demand will be through the roof. I truly think this is a chance that will never come again. I appreciate you taking the time to view my online video. Thank you for watching my channel and for subscribing. I will see you later.